Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is how to fix your tech. Now today I'm going to teach you how to fix a blue screen of death. Now there's multiple blue screens of death in Windows 10. There's the one with the upside down smiley face or the sad face. There's this recovery one, and there's one more that says like advanced options and restart my PC. So there's quite a few blue screens of death. I've been on purposely trying to trigger it for VirtualBox. As you can see, the scaling is a bit off. That's only because of VirtualBox. But I've been trying to trigger it for so long, and finally a command worked. But anyway, I'm going to teach you how to do that. But until then, let's roll the intro. Alright everyone, so as I said, sorry about the scaling, but it is a VirtualBox, so that's just what it does. Anyway, so the first thing you want to do is try restarting your PC. Now sometimes that can work, and sometimes it can't. So once you try that, hopefully it works, but if you don't, you'll probably get this screen again. And if that doesn't work, what you do is click See Advanced Repair Options. Now as I like to say, not much, but as I should say, do this at your own risk. It might cause problems if you don't follow instructions and are not liable for any problems. Anyway, under Continue, click Troubleshoot. Then what you want to do is go into Reset This PC. Now, clicking this won't immediately reset your PC, and if you follow my instructions, you don't have to wipe it either. So just click Reset This PC. Now this is where you want to choose an option, keep your files or remove everything. Now I'm going to keep them just for the purpose of the video, because if you get this blue screen of death, you might still have a lot of files on it. So just click Keep My Files, or click Remove Everything if that's your preference. Alright, so this is where you go selecting account. I'm just going to cut this bit out, but anyway, I'm just going to do that. Alright, after putting your account and password in, you get this screen. Now, even after this, it's not actually resetting your PC. This is your last opportunity. So if you don't want to reset it, this is your last opportunity to go cancel. Now, it says all ready to go. Make sure that your PC is plugged in and not on battery power. Now, make sure to remove this. Read this. Now this will remove all apps and programs that didn't come with a PC. It'll change settings back to their defaults and reinstall Windows, but without removing your personal files. So before continuing, try restarting a few times. But anyway, once you're ready and once you know that you're all good to reset, click Reset. Now this is resetting the PC. Now this is actually the same as the other video, but this is more focused on how to fix blue screens of death, not just reset it. Now it might be a similar video and some people may think this is a re-upload, but it is not. Anyway, hopefully you haven't watched this video unless you're a subscriber. But anyway, let's time lapse.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step.
Alright everyone, so now it's restarting.
And if it's not enough, I
Alright, so as it's the same with resetting. Now, installing Windows should take a bit next to nothing on a VirtualBox. It might take a while for you though, depending on which computer you have. If it has a solid state drive, it's going to be faster than a hard drive. But this VirtualBox is just really quick because it's on a virtual hard disk, and yeah. But anyway, we might time lapse it anyway, so I'll see you when that's done.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Alright everyone, now if you chose not to remove everything, you won't get a setup screen. If you did, it's okay, because setting up is easy and it's all your personal preferences, not something you should need help with. It's the same as buying a new laptop. So what you want to do is enter your password and wait for this. This is a little annoying, but it's pretty quick on VirtualBox. It's not so quick on hard drives, but it's nothing huge anyway. Just wait for that.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Alright everyone, so there you go. Now, hopefully when you sign into your Microsoft account again, it should give you the same settings anyway. Now, as you can see, the start menu is not how I had it before. It's got all this bloat on it, but that's okay. Now, what you want to notice is that up here, you've got all your removed apps. You can click on the shortcut, and here you go. Now that's just the app summary of what they removed. They only removed OneDrive, but I'm sure they'll install it again because it's their own app. I hadn't actually installed anything on the VirtualBox apart from Windows and I think Chrome. But anyway, actually no, I didn't even install Chrome because it wasn't there. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I helped, and I'll see you in another video.